Hey everyone, it's Humbullet here, and I got my 2020 Ford Escape. It's a SE model, just has a key fob like this. Okay, it has a remote start through the Fordpass app, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install the aftermarket, well, it's actually OEM, but it's an aftermarket kit for remote start, which will give you push button, so you do lock, unlock, lock. That starts the vehicle, and this is sold by Ford. Comes with zip ties, a couple stickers for your window. This jumper, you actually need to plug this into this module to give you the remote start, because this kit also is a security system as well. So without the jumper, you just get the security system. With the jumper, you plug that in, that gives you remote start. On the Escape, and I'm going to say probably the Ford Maverick and Bronco Sport are probably going to be very similar. This part right here plugs into your rear OBD2 port. There's a connector that's right behind your OBD2 port. I believe gateway access is what it's called. And then this other connector will connect into the other side of the OBD2 port. So this will go into the female side that you disconnect. This will go into the male side for the wiring harness. And then this part goes into this module here. Just plug that in right there. And I'm going to go ahead and install that. It takes literally maybe 5 minutes, if that. It's very easy. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this one-handed as best as I can so you guys can see this. I'm going to take the jumper out here and install that. And that just plugs in right here. Just like that. And then this part of the wire just plugs in right here. Like that. And then these two parts are going to be the part that you plug in at the back of the gateway module, which is right behind the OBD2 port, which on the Escape, and I'm assuming probably the Maverick and the Bronco Sport, is going to be right down here. And here I got it. This is the driver's seat. Let me get a flash on here. And there's the OBD2 port. And I actually removed the I removed the knee airbag, just 4 bolts, so you can see it better. So I got it unplugged here. So it plugs in right behind here. It's just one tab. Okay, so that it comes unplugged. You're gonna plug this part into here. Okay, and then this other part is gonna go into the back here. So I will show you everything once I get this plugged in, because I can't do it with one hand. Alright, so I got that plugged in. As you can see right here, got the harness plugged in right there. That's the back of the OBD2 port. Okay. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is get into the car and make sure you got your key in your pocket. turn it on, then turn it off. Your doors lock and then unlock. They do that automatically. That learns that to the vehicle. So at that point, you're ready to go. You can follow the instructions in the manual to set up your alarm. And on the bottom, on this module, it has a knob, so you can adjust right here. So you can adjust the sensitivity. But let's try it out. Check and see if the remote start works. Alright, so according to that, you're just going to lock, unlock, and lock within 10 seconds. And then the same procedure to turn it back off. So that's how you add a factory Ford authorized remote start to a 2020 and newer Ford Escape. I believe the Maverick and the Bronco Sport are similar, so I'm just going to go ahead and post that. If anyone has any tips or tricks on or knows of any differences on the other models, let me know. But anyway, this is Humbullet. Thanks for checking out my channel, and I hope this helps you guys out because I could not find a lot of info about the Escape.